In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Superscript to your text in Canva, a great tool for designing all sorts of visual content. Whether you're new to Canva or simply looking to expand your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process in just 5 minutes. First, let's get started by heading over to canva.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in by clicking on the login button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you can follow the prompts to create one. Canva offers the convenience of logging in using your Google or Facebook account, or you can simply sign in with your email. Once you're logged in, you'll want to choose the project that you'd like to work with. This could be an existing design you've created, or you can start from scratch. Clicking on your chosen project will open it in the Canva editor, where you'll have access to all the tools you'll need for your design work. Now let's focus on adding text to your design. Look to the toolbar on the left side of your screen and click on the text option. Here you can add a text box to your design. If you have specific text that you want to transform using Superscript, type it into this text box. Make sure to format your text and style it to your liking before moving on to the next steps. With your text in place, it's time to apply the Superscript effect. On the toolbar just above your design workspace, you'll see various editing options. Click on Advanced Formatting, which will present you with a range of additional text styling features. In the advanced formatting options, look under a section labeled General, where you'll find the Superscript option. Selecting this will alter your text to display in the Superscript format, raising your selected characters above the regular line of type. This is an invaluable feature for writing mathematical notations, trademarks, or any scenario where Superscript is required. And there you have it, your text now includes Superscript, enhancing your design exactly as needed. Remember, Canva's tools are designed to offer flexibility and creativity, so feel free to explore other formatting options and design elements to enrich your work further. Thanks for watching. Whether you're designing educational materials, crafting stylish presentations, or simply engaging with graphic design for fun, mastering these fundamental tools will serve you well. Don't forget to save your project regularly and enjoy the creative process. Be sure to subscribe for more useful design tips and tricks in Canva and other design platforms. Happy designing!